Hey, awesome ones! Well, do you know that a recent study showed that the people who get up their holiday and Christmas decorations early are happier? And since I'm always about the happiness factor, I thought, hey, that might even work with holiday dressing as well. So today I have some great outfits for you to help get a head start on the season. And they range from clothing that you can wear from dawn till dusk, including pajamas, casual wear, leisure wear, and even party dresses. So today I'm going to have 12 outfits for you, and they also come in lots of other colors, not just the ones that I'm showing. So let's get started. And we're going to start with my favorite Christmas sweater and a fun top. I think all of us need a great Christmas sweater, and what makes this one even more special is that it's a cardigan. I always find that after a few hours an over-the-head sweater gets too hot, but with this one I can open it up and cool down. It's available for $42. And let's take a look at the top I'm wearing for this video. Sometimes you just want to have a little top that doesn't get too hot, and this one is great. It's fun, and you can also spread a little Christmas cheer without saying a word. It's great with pants, but also looks fashionable with a pencil skirt for $37. And as usual, I'll have most of the fashions that I'm wearing underneath the video description and also in the comments. And did you know that at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, we also have a Christmas section, and that's where I include some of the Christmas tops and also decor. All right, so let's get on to the next outfit, and this is one that you can really pair with something from your closet, and it just adds a little sparkle sparkle. Here I've just put on a red sequin cami for about $30 that could go over a pair of pants or skirt right from your closet. And if you want your arms covered up, this sheer overtop fits the bill for $29. And don't forget that silvers and golds are really trending for this season. And here I've changed up the look with a silver cami available for just $22, and it also comes in gold. I added a silver and gold crossbody bag, and the last time I checked, it was 65% off for an amazing $10. And if you like videos like this, done by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the bell. All right, next let's get into a little bit of texture with these two fabulous outfits. Here I have an absolutely fabulous faux leather and suede jacket for $46, and I just put a red top underneath. The skirt is also a fabulous faux suede skirt for $55, and it's actually stretchy. And here's another look with a faux leather wine-colored moto jacket for $60, and I paired it with a lovely lace top for about $20 and one of my favorite lacy skirts, and you know, they're only about $24. The black tights and ankle boots. And the ankle boots, by the way, regularly $60, 38% off the last time I checked, so now they're $38, complete this fashionable and trendy look that has a youthful flair. Now, sometimes a few accessories can bring an outfit from ho-hum to holiday season chic, so let's take a look. So here I have a fun faux sheepskin jacket. It sells for about $50, but look what happens when I add a few red accessories. Talk about drab to fab. I have the tam, mittens, and scarf details under the video description, but check out the boots. These are Skechers step-ins, and they're about $80. They are so handy to get into and out, and I usually have them at the front door. Okay, so I promised you a dawn till dusk kind of video, and let's get started with the dawn. And this is when, you want something, some kind of pajamas to wear, especially if you're traveling or staying with friends. I just love the European flair of this pajama set. Its silky material is so beautiful. And I also like how the pants have an elastic waistband. This set comes in 12 different colors, including Christmas patterns, and it's about $50. I also love the ballerina slippers by Isotoner that are so comfy for about $24. And talking about leisure time, we need a couple of outfits to just kind of wear around the house, especially when we're watching those Christmas movies, and especially if we're enjoying them with family and friends. Let's take a look. Here I have a lovely combo for leisure time with a zip-up top and elastic waist pants. I also love that the fabric isn't fleece lined so I don't get too hot. This set is available in 21 colors and it's $53 for the 2 pieces. A perfect go-to instead of those old joggers and t-shirts that many women still wear. We looked at the dawn outfits. Now let's take a look at the dusk outfits, shall we? And for this one, hey, it's the time to really get dressed up. So I've got 3 outfits for you. Let's take a look. My first dress is new and it's a sweater dress. Isn't it lovely? I love the lace detail, and although it's in black, I know many of you might be looking for a new little black dress, and this one is just $40. It also comes in lots of other colors, and I added a red purse and red pumps, and these red pumps are usually $70. Last time I checked, 40% off, they're just $42, and the red really does add a little flair. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't include this fabulous red dress with the cape-like sleeves. It's just $32. Plus, check out these sandals. They're absolutely beautiful. And here's one of my newer lace dresses that also comes in lots of other colors, and it's about $46. And I decided to put on my gold pumps with this. And how about this add-on beauty? It's a black cape with faux fur for $47. It's a perfect addition to keep you warm and ramp up the elegance factor. Now, I mentioned earlier how I love to introduce the happiness factor. The holiday season, it's really short, and we only get a few of them really when you think about them in your lifetime. So what I love to do is I just love to embrace the season, but I know for some it really can be hard. So I have a question for you. Would you like me to do a video that really addresses how to put a little bit of comfort and joy into this season? I would really like to know if you'd like me to do that. It'll be a kind of a fireside chat. Let me know in the comments, because you know what? I would love to do an inspiration video for you. And in the meantime, don't forget to maybe decorate your home a little earlier and see if it does make you happier. And don't forget to don those reds and greens and silvers and golds and, get into the holiday spirit from dawn till dusk. And for me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.